Can you see yourself in the 2020 Jeep Wrangler? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Capable of going anywhere and always authentically you. Drive the Wrangler.